So, is it time to buy Tesla stock? Considering that it's close to its all time low, this could potentially be a steal of a lifetime. Also, comment down below if you would rather own Tesla stock or would you rather own a Tesla? Comment down below. Me personally, I would rather own Tesla stock. Also, make sure to sign up with my Webull link in the description below and get yourself some free stock. Anyways, so Tesla's current volume is 10 million. Their current market cap is $590 billion. Their 52-week low is $152.37. This is where you realize, wow, Tesla is in the $100.80 range level, and it's that close to its 52-week low. That is just insane that Tesla's that close to its 52-week level. They currently do not have a dividend. Now, looking at their annual revenue, in 2019 they made $24.58 billion. In 2020 they made $31.54 billion. In 2021 they made $53.82 billion. In 2022 they made $81.46 billion. And then in 2023, they made $96.77 billion. Just in case you don't know what revenue means, it's the total amount a company earns from goods and services. Now, looking at their annual net income, in 2019, they made a total of negative $775 million. In 2020, they made $862 million. In 2021, they made $5.64 billion. In 2022, they made $12.59 billion. And then in 2023, they made $14.97 billion. Just in case you don't know what net income is, it's what a business or individual makes after taxes, deductions, and other expenses are taken out. According to 47 analysts, 45% of them are saying to hold on to Tesla. For the 1-year price forecast, the average price target is $207.75, with a high estimate of $345 and a low estimate of $24.33. Now we're going to move forward and look at Tesla on the technical analysis perspective. The current support level is 182. The current resistance level is 193 through 194. Support and resistance levels are important because they help you when to enter in a trade and when to exit out of a trade. Yeah, that's right, kitty. Sorry, that was my cat. It's very important to have a game plan when you're using support and resistance, because when you use support and resistance, you want to use the support as an entry trade where you want to enter in a trade, and then you want to use resistance as an exit when you want to exit out of a trade. What makes this a convincing buy is that there is an inverse head and shoulders pattern forming on the daily. You can see that Tesla today has formed that second shoulder, just barely, which could mean a reversal to the upside. Just in case you don't know what an inverse head and shoulders pattern is, the inverse head and shoulders chart pattern stands as a notable indicator for identifying bullish reversals. Characterized by 3 distinct troughs, a lower head between 2 higher shoulders, this pattern signals a potential shift from a bearish to a bullish trend when the price breaks above the neckline. If you look at the previous days of Tesla on the daily chart, you can see that's previously done the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Once the second shoulder formed, a reversal to the uptrend happened. Sometimes it's best to look over a stock and see how it's done in the past, but remember, history tends to change, meaning history could repeat itself or not. Now, looking at this with the moving average indicators, you can see that Tesla is below the 9-day moving average. During the day, it tried going over the 9-day moving average, but it got rejected, meaning we could see a bit of consolidation these coming days, which could fully form that second shoulder. So, what does the 9-day moving average indicator mean? The strategy involves using the 9-day exponential moving average to identify short-term market swings. A buy signal is generated when the price moves above the 9-day moving average, while a sell signal is triggered when the price moves below the 9-day moving average. The strategy aims to capture short-term momentum in the market. In other news of Tesla, Cathie Wood is buying into Tesla, buying a grand total of 377,000 shares, which equals to $796 million worth of shares. Now, I know what everyone is thinking. Yeah, but Cathie Wood is in Tesla. She's never right. I mean, neither am I, but she gave a good point on something, and it's that Tesla is an AI stock. What does this mean? This means in the near future, Tesla, with their self-driving technology, could bring in major revenue to the company. Now imagine when Tesla software engineers perfect the self-driving software. Everyone is going to want a Tesla because people will want something worth the money and make them feel safe when on the road. As of now, Tesla still needs a bit more time to train their software, as people have reported different problems with their Tesla. But let's look at Tesla over the long term. Let's say you invested into Tesla with $1,000. Then let's say you contribute $500 into Tesla monthly. By the end of the 10-year mark, your investment of $1,000 would now be worth $472,961. That is just insane, because all you did was hold on to Tesla while you let Tesla do all the hard work. Now, let's say you invested in SPY with a small investment of $1,000 and contributed a monthly amount of $500 and reinvested your dividends to buy more SPY shares. By the end of the 10-year mark, your investment would be worth $129,929. That is also insane, because all you did was hold and reinvested your dividends back into SPY. This is the power of long-term investing. Meanwhile, if you had invested that money in a savings account, it would be nowhere what Tesla or SPY could have given you over the 10-year period. Over the long term, I think Tesla has a great future ahead of themselves. Although they are going through obstacles right now, I think they have what it takes for them to overcome those obstacles, which could lead to Tesla into becoming the best of AI self-driving software. This concludes the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Get yourself some free stock when you sign up with my Webull link in the description below. As always, take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, this is not financial advice. See you guys and take care. Bye.